Welcome to my channel, friends. I hope you all are doing well and already started to earn money from my previous videos. If not, you should try, my friends. There are lots of websites which you can earn money without any investment. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and enable the notification bell to receive my upcoming online money earning videos. If you joined my Telegram channel, you will receive lots of free airdrop projects daily. I have published a video about Tron Mining Site and it is still paying well and I have claimed my profits daily. I will put that video link in above. If you are interested, you can watch and start to work on that site. This page name is Live Tron. You can earn Tron coin from this site easily. As you can see here, they have given lots of payments for the users and you can track the payment of this site. Because of that, we can trust this site, my friends. First of all, we should register on this site. To do this, click on the login button. You can insert your Tron wallet address and give a strong password. Then click on the login button. Go to menu button and click on the account menu. In here you should update your working mail address, and if you want you can change your password also. After changes, click on the save button. Now go to your dashboard from this menu. In here you can see your joining date, your Tron wallet address and mail address. My Tron balance and daily mining rate will be shown here. You can withdraw after reaching 10 TRX and I will show how to withdraw Tron from this site. I have purchased a plan from this site and now my mining rate is 1.1 TRX per day. You will receive a free plan and it will mine 0.5 TRX daily. You can withdraw your TRX from here and minimum withdrawal is 10 TRX. Since this page gives you instant payment, transaction fee will be 2 TRX. You can see your active plans in here. If you purchase a plan from this site, you will be able to earn good profits from this site. I purchased 10 TRX plan and now my mining rate is 1.1 TRX per day. You will be able to cover your investment easily. You can see all the details about their plans and it will clearly show about your total profits and daily mining speed. If you can purchase an expensive plan, you will be able to get big profit from this site. But there is a risk and you should understand about it. I will show how to purchase a plan. Click on the purchase button. Now copy this address and send required Tron amount from your wallet. Within few minutes your plan will be activated. After few minutes, you can see your purchase plan in here and your mining rate will be increased. I will withdraw 10 TRX from this site and show how quick is their payments. Let's see. Give the amount you want to withdraw and transaction fee will be 2 TRX. Click on the withdraw button. You will receive your TRX within 1 to 2 minutes. You can see here, 10 TRX has been reduced from my balance. My withdrawal has received now. I will show it in my Tron wallet. Here you can see all the details of this transaction and completed time also. Okay, my friends. I have explained everything that you need to know to work on this site. You can try with small plan and you can earn more TRX with this site. I will give the site URL in the description and you can click on it. You can share your referral link with your friends and earn some TRX when your friends join this site. I will give you more website which you can earn Tron coins easily. But you will have to deposit some TRX to start with those sites. I will bring payment proof videos for those sites very soon. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and join to my Telegram channel. Okay, my friends. We'll see you soon. Stay safe.